tao, kamag-wires, kamag-umay. I'm the vlogger with my teacher me. Like today, going to SM Bicolan right now. Just like to share to you my a day in Davao City, traveling in few minutes to revitalize, to chill, to refresh myself there. And this is the life of the teacher here in Davao City. Life is here in Davao, the land of the promise, land of the eagles, and the land of the durian. So I'm having now being chill, holiday chilling, and it's my life. Pwede? Baba? Okay, just a moment. So here I am. Here in SM. So let's have a glance of SM right now. Yeah, SM, my favorite mall in Davao. Although I don't have the big amount of money. I used to